Tired of guesswork in the kitchen? Compare 3 Etekcity scales. Which one's your pick? First up is the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale that stands out for being compact, convenient, and an all-around bestseller. If you're short on counter space or simply want a scale that's easy to store, this is your go-to. It's perfect for basic weighing tasks, offering 5 different units to switch between. You'll love how straightforward it is. Just place your item on the stainless steel platform, read the backlit display, and you're good to go. Next, let's talk about the Etekcity Food Nutrition Kitchen Scale. This model truly goes above and beyond when it comes to tracking what you eat. Ever wondered exactly how much sugar or how many calories you're consuming each day? With this scale, you can view up to 19 nutritional indicators right in the free VSync app, making it ideal for anyone serious about their health and fitness goals. You can even sync the data with other health apps, ensuring that all your progress stays in one convenient spot. Lastly, we have the Etekcity 0.1 gram food kitchen scale. What sets this one apart is the detachable measuring bowl. Need a container to weigh flour or sugar? Simply flip up the bowl and measure away. When you're finished, flip it down to protect the scale or store it. It's perfect if you want minimal fuss and maximum practicality. Which design will you be choosing for your home? Don't want to waste hours hunting for the best finds? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.